So in the previous video we looked at how you can replace a series of if formulas like this with a much tidier function using VLOOKUP and referencing this ranged VLOOKUP, this lookup table. And the only problem with this approach now is that if you have a number that is less than the lowest bound of your VLOOKUP, since these are always lower bounds, you end up getting an NA error. And it's really not a good idea to have errors in your sheet. When I use the if formulas, I actually just output the letters NA, and I could have just output, for example, a 0 in this situation, and I'm avoiding errors now. I can't actually do that here unless I use an IFERROR formula. And I really recommend using IFERROR anytime you use VLOOKUP, because VLOOKUP is just so likely to sometimes return NA errors, and that's just a normal functioning of VLOOKUP, meaning it didn't find a proper match. So to use IFERROR, you want to put it around something, and then the first part of the IFERROR is just whatever output you want that is not an error. If this is not an error, then it'll just return itself and nothing changes. But in case there is an error, I can specify the second term after the comma, and in this case, let's just put that same 0, and I'll just close the parenthesis for the if error, and now we're returning the same result as before. So the nice thing about IFERROR is it leaves all this alone, but I can specify exactly what to have happen when there's an error.